Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is about a monogram font. One of my viewers or subscriber sent me this link and said he just found it today, and I thought I'd share it. So just go to www.fonts2u.com, and they're totally free. So all you have to do is type out your 3 letters of your font. Now this is a little bit difficult, but since it's free and it works really well, and I've already downloaded, and so when you go to, let me see if I can't find their website. When you go to Fonts 2U, you just type in circle right here and it'll come up. Now there are 3 circle fonts. There's a right, a middle, and a center, and you need to download all 3. And just don't make the mistake I just made by going right here and starting, because that's going to trying to sell you an app. So just download it, put it in your computer, put it in your, well, when you install it, it'll automatically work. So what you need to do, as far as I'm concerned, is you're going to need to go to Control K and break these apart. Now the other thing is a little bit confusing, that the fonts are kind of like bundled together. And you can see that's the left one. That's the right one, and here's the middle one. So in the left one, we need that one. And see, that's the thing about it. It doesn't particularly, so if you go down here and find it under circle, you actually get all 3. And if you go right here, well, that didn't work too well. If you open this door, this little slide out, then you get it doesn't say left, right, but you can see which one. So we need the middle one for that one. And then if you go here and click on the right one, so it's not putting them together. So my suggestion, until I find out a better way, would be to hold down your control button and make a circle and hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then take your middle letter and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and lock your circles, or don't lock it, but put it to the back of the page so you won't keep hitting it. And then, well, it'd be better to not change the font, change the size. Hold down your Shift key and grow your circle till it gets to that A. And then you can bring in your H and bring in your K, and then kind of zoom in. And I got it pretty close. Make your nudge factor something pretty low, and just kind of get where it's in that circle. K needs to go up a little bit, and then take your circle away, and there you have a monogram. So I thank that viewer for giving us that tip, and I thought I'd pass it along. And there's a lot of other cool fonts on this site. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.